Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Flex Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set up MetaMask and trade on Uniswap. Before we hop into the tutorial, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to support this channel, make sure to sign up with my Binance link in the description below. Okay, first things first, what is MetaMask? MetaMask is an Ethereum wallet that is integrated into the web browser. It allows with anyone to interact with Ethereum smart contracts, such as those on Uniswap. On top of being an amazing wallet, you can also connect a hardware wallet, such as the Nano Ledger S, for extra protection. I highly recommend you guys get one if you guys hold lots of funds. Alright, second, why even trade on Uniswap? Simple. Uniswap in a way is the ICO of 2017. ICO stands for Initial Coin Offering that allowed many investors to buy into the pre-sale of a token. Some of these tokens have resulted in crazy returns. Uniswap, on the other hand, is a decentralized exchange that many of these tokens initially list on. Previously in ICOs, many people were limited into participating due to KYC limitations, or they live in the USA. Something to note though, most Uniswap projects tend to have no KYC, and the result of this is that many of the developers are anonymous. Many of these projects have resulted in complete exit scams, so you gotta be careful. Remember when trading on Uniswap to do your own research on specific projects and don't be too greedy. Besides being a great platform to find many gems on, you can also trade on established tokens without having to go through a centralized exchange. This is really useful because you can have all your funds in a wallet and not have to move them around. Alright, with the explanation out of the way, let's hop right into the tutorial. Alright guys, first things first, we are going to want to go to the MetaMask website, which is metamask.io. The link will be in the description below, and we are going to click on the download. I am using Google Chrome right now. We can also use it on the supported browsers such as Firefox and the Brave browser. I primarily use the Brave browser, but I don't want to uninstall it and reinstall it, so I'm just going to be using Google Chrome. So we're going to install MetaMask for Chrome, and we are going to add the extension. Alright, now that the extension has been added, we will get started and let's set it up. Okay, so you don't really need to allow this, so I'm just gonna say no thanks. You're gonna put a password. I'm just gonna put some random password. Now we are going to back up the secret backup phrase. So these phrases are going to actually be your keys that allows you to access your wallet from wherever. So make sure no one ever gets these keys except yourself. I highly recommend writing it down in a piece of paper and keeping that piece of paper somewhere extremely safe. For me, I'm just going to reveal it, and this wallet is not going to be a wallet that I will be using, so I'm comfortable with sharing it. And you're going to basically get all these keys and just copy and paste them into a notepad, right? Something like that. And then we're going to click next, and we're going to basically start going and placing it in. So this is just a way to verify that your keys are actually your keys. Now that we have confirmed everything, we can get started with using our wallet. Okay, so now we have our wallet, and I'm just going to explain a few things about the wallet. This is going to be your public key, which basically means that anyone that wants to send you Ethereum or whatever USDT, whatever token that is on the Ethereum network, they can send it to this address. This is going to be your public address that anyone can pretty much see. And I'm just going to copy and paste it to you, and this is basically what it looks like. So this, if you want to receive money, send this address. Next, we're going to just show some of the other features, such as the send feature, and if you want to send money to whatever address. For instance, I'm just going to pretend I'm sending it for myself, and this is what it looks like. Usually for me, I will almost always use the fast option for the transaction fee. The way that MetaMask or the Ethereum network works is that you need to have gas to basically send your transactions, so keep that in mind. Okay, so very simple. That is just going to be the first step, setting up MetaMask, keeping everything secure, and showing you guys some of the features that MetaMask can do. And this is just your wallet. Very simple. Now that we have set up MetaMask, I will be showing you guys how to interact with Uniswap from the MetaMask wallet. Okay, so we are going to go over to uniswap.org. This will be in the description below. We're going to launch the app, and then we're going to get to this page, right? So this is just my wallet right here, and I have a little bit of Ethereum in it, right? So I can swap this Ethereum for whatever token that is listed on the Ethereum network. And let's just say for some reason I want to swap my Ethereum for some BZRX, right? I can just click the button with how much ever Ethereum I want to purchase with it with. I'm just gonna do a example right here, and I want to buy some BZRX. I can just swap the token. I'm gonna have to confirm the token, and I'm going to have to approve it. Once we approve it, we can now purchase the token by swapping it, and this is going to be the gas fee. And as I said before, I always crank up the gas fee just to purchase the tokens, and this is just due to the fact that I don't like my tokens to be stuck in a transaction. That's just me personally. You can use a slower gas fee, but just know that it could take 10, 15, 20 minutes. I like to see it happen in 15, 20, 30 seconds. Okay, so next we just confirm, and then the purchase will go through. I'm personally not going to be buying any because this is just Ethereum I need in my wallet just to send transactions. But yeah, that's pretty much it. One more thing. Let's say that you found a project that is not on this list. So let's say for some reason I want to buy a token that is not on this list. So I'm just gonna remove this. I'm just gonna show you. So let's say I want to buy some Hedgehog. So let's just say I want to buy some Hedgehog, and it's not on this list. So what I can do is go over to CoinGecko, right? And we are going to look for Hedgehog right here. And then we are going to go over to the Etherscan right over here, and we are going to look for the contract address. We're going to copy that, paste it right into the thing, add the token, and now we can directly swap the tokens now. It's actually pretty cool. And this is basically how you're going to put in tokens that aren't listed on this list, and there's going to be many if you're going to be doing research on any of them. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Pretty simple tutorial, nothing too complicated. Just want to show you guys how to interact with Uniswap. It's a very valuable skill to know how to interact with Uniswap. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. And if you want to support the channel, then make sure to sign up with my Binance link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time.